Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. I hope you're having a really good weekend, start to your weekend. I usually don't post on Saturdays or the weekend, but I've had a pretty rough 2 weeks, just haven't had the energy really to put out a video. So I want to just touch bases with you and let you know that I have a freebie for you to download at my coffee shop. And this one is fall themed, and it has little stamps on here I think that are really cute, little things that you can add. Stamps are really fun to work with. You can just, if you just put a couple stamps on a blank page, it's enough to dress it up, right? And here's a journaling card and a tag along with it. So these are some things you can be using for your fall projects. Yeah. So go to my coffee shop and you'll be able to download this. I hope you enjoy this and work with it. I also wanted to talk about my next journal very quickly here. I've been collecting authentic ephemera for quite a while, and I got a whole big bag of it from on sale at a antique store, and she was just selling this whole big bag at a really reduced price, and got a lot of neat stuff in it. So I have photographs, and I have envelopes. I believe this envelope was 1920, so they're really old envelopes, and this is a super old postcard, and I don't know, there's no date on it, but yeah, this looks pretty old to me. And I got some library cards, right, and postcards, of course, and some receipts. So I do have a collection here that I'm going to be putting into my next journal. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, you might be interested to see how I put it in my journal. I have some ideas of how I'm going to alter some of these and put them in the journal, and you might be interested in seeing those videos coming up. I know the next video I do is going to be making your own faux tintype pictures or photos, and how I'm using that. So yeah, I do have some things. I have some interesting ideas, and I think I'm starting to gain a little bit more energy. So I think we'll be okay. I had kind of a rough 2 weeks. Um, just really, my health just was sort of struggling, and every so often I have flare-ups and such. So anyways, but I did want to connect with you to tell you about the freebie I have for you, so you can start enjoying that as soon as you can. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and I hope you have a great weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye.